caved in. We're going to cut the building loose from the additional building. That other building will stay. Take this down by hand. We also got a car and paint booth in there that we're trying to protect. A little damage to the storm, but we're trying to save it as best we can. We've got part of the structure that fell in this car right here, and it's holding up the building right now. What we're going to do is we're going to take the building down around from the car and leave the car and the lift there intact. The owners are wanting to save the automobile and the lift, so our job is going to be to get everything down away from it, leave it.
Yeah. I mean, that car saved all the cars that were down here. I even had a car in here this far away from hitting the roof, painted. We got everything out. We reinforced everything, man.
Around back and see what's, make sure it's not disturbing anything in the back. Hi, I'm with Claxton's Demolition Services out here in DeSoto, Texas. Today we took down a commercial building that was damaged from the snowstorm that we had here a few months ago here in Texas. Building basically caved in on top of this old Mustang, and the owners of the car wanted to save the car. So basically what we've done, we've taken the building down by hand and preserved the car with no more additional damage to it other than what was caused by the storm. So the job was well done. Nobody was injured, no damages to the building or damages to the Mustang. So if anybody has any jobs that needs to be done demolition-wise, just look us up on the internet at www.claxtonsdemolitionservices.com, or you can reach me by 214-869-4959. We look forward to doing business with you.